How to add item to your Walmart cart. Shopping at Walmart online. Let's learn how to add item to your cart in just a few taps. First, go to walmart.com or open the Walmart app and search the item you want. Let's try the backpack. Browse the result. Click on the product you like to open the detail page. If the product has options like size, color, quantity, select your preference before adding it to the cart. Now click Add to Cart. A pop-up will confirm your item is added. You can keep shopping or go to your cart anytime. To view your item, click the cart icon at top right corner. From here, you can edit quantities, remove item, or proceed to checkout. And that's it. Adding items to your Walmart cart is super easy. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick shopping tips. Happy shopping!